Hey everybody, here's some examples for subtracting integers. We filled out this piece in our journal today, the rules for subtracting integers, but really, in all honesty, there's really just one rule, and we call it keep, change, change. On your homework tonight, there is several different types of questions. There's some easy ones, there's some harder ones, there's some word problems, and keep, change, change is how we solve them. When we are subtracting integers, that's how we take care of it. So I've taken some of the homework problems, I've rewritten them here, and let's take a look at how we use keep, change, change to solve these. All right. We deal with these numbers, and there are basically three parts. I'm going to use a different color here to show you. Okay, so I'm going to divide this number sentence into those three sections. So I'm going to keep the first number the same way that it is. So I'm going to keep -4 as -4. I'm going to change the subtraction symbol to addition. And then this last portion is a +2. I'm going to change it to a -2. And I'll put it in parentheses to keep these symbols away from each other. Now we go back to our rules from yesterday, and the rules from yesterday said when we add integers with the same sign, we add like we normally would, and we keep the sign. So 4 + 2 is 6, and we keep the negative sign. So we find that -4 plus -2 is equal to -6, and therefore -4 minus +2 is equal to -6. There's our keep, change, change method, and I forgot to write change for our last part there. Okay, so another simple one that we can do. We're going to keep this part, change that part, and change that part. So maybe we want to abbreviate this a little bit. Keep, change, change. So we'll keep our -6, change subtraction to addition, change -8 to +8, and follow our rules for addition. When we have different signs, one negative, one positive, our rules for addition say when we have different signs that we find the difference between these two numbers, which would be 2, and the sign that goes with our answer is the sign of the number that has the greatest absolute value. So absolute value of 8 is greater than the absolute value of 6, or in class what we said is, do we have more good guys, more positives, or more bad guys, more negatives? We have more positives, so our answer is +2. So -6 minus -8 is equal to +2. Because of keep, change, change, we can change that to -6 plus 8, which makes it easier for us to solve. Another example here, another way we've talked to them about is whenever two negative symbols are right next to each other, like they are here and like they are here, sometimes we use the phrase minus a negative is the same thing as plus a positive. So if we have minus a negative, we know we're going to be plus a positive, but it's still keep, change, change, because we kept 52 the same, we changed the symbol, and we changed the sign in front of 30. So it's still keep, change, change. And then we can finish to get our answer of 82. All right, I'm going to show these that are a little more difficult in another video, but the basics for subtracting integers is using keep, change, change. So our steps are: step 1, use keep, change, change, and step 2, to finish it, we follow the addition rules, which we learned yesterday and which I have a separate video for. Okay? All right, good luck with that, and I'll post another video for a few that are a little more difficult. Thanks for watching.